What's up, you guys? My name is Gold Goddess and this is my new YouTube channel. Some of you may know me from my Instagram page, goldgoddess_MUA, which will be linked in the description below, and some of you also may know that I've been talking about starting a YouTube channel for a while. Well, I'm happy to say that I finally can, and I'm hoping that this channel will showcase my creativity and be super useful to all of you guys. So let's get started. Alright, so first things first, I primed with the Smashbox plus Vlada Photofinish Petal Metal Primer. It gives me a nice dewy glowy look, which is what I'm going for today. And I also primed my eyelids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion that they are known for. And I'm going to do my eyes first. Today I'm going to be using the Norvina palette, and I'm going to be recreating a look that I made on my Twitter page, which you'll see in the link below. I'm going to be using this brush from BH Cosmetics. It's the brush 6 in the Rose Gold collection, and I'm going to be using the color called Base. For the base, you want to make sure you're getting it all over your eyelid and up to your brow bone, because that is the color that's going to make your shades pop even more. Now for my crease, I'm going to be using the brush 5 from BH Cosmetics. I'm going to be using the shade Incense for my crease. Okay, and now I'm going to be using the shade Volatile. That's going to be a darker shade, and it's going to make my eyes appear more sultry and the way that I want them to. Okay, for my highlight shade, I'm going to be using the color Summer, this beautiful gold color right over here. I'm going to use it in the inner corners of my eyes as well as my brow bone. Just a little bit is enough. For my outer V, I'm going to be using the color Drama, and I'm also going to be smudging that onto my lower lash line. Using the shade Soul right over here. At least I'm going to be using the shade Celestial, which is this beautiful, gorgeous purple color. Mistakes that you make, you can always cover it up with a little bit of concealer. That's why I like to do my eyes first. And time for mascara! I'm going to be using the Laura Geller Fortifying Lashes Mascara Primer. I don't like to use falsies, so I always use this to make my lashes as long as they can be. And I'm going to be using my latest obsession, which is the Nars Climax Mascara. I think it's better than sex, because it doesn't clump as much and it doesn't flake as much either. My eyes are... Alright, now my eyes are done. And before you start a new layer of makeup, make sure you're setting your first layer with setting spray. I'm going to be using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus spray. For my base, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Do You Full Coverage Foundation. It smells like watermelon and cucumber. It's amazing, but if you're not into scents like that, then this could be a little too sensitive for you. My shade is Sand, and I'm going to be using a little bit because it is full coverage and I don't have a lot of blemishes to cover up, just some redness and some under eye circles. My finishing touches with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Again, it's in the shade Sand. I don't use my concealer to highlight, I use my highlighters to do that. So I like to blend it in with the skin and make everything look concise and natural. Great! Now onto some of the more fun parts. I'm going to be using the Becca and Chrisy Teigan palette. I'm going to be using the Rose Gold highlighter shade, this blush right over here, as well as this bronzer. My highlight, I'm going to be using the brush 4. I'm just getting it onto the high points of my face. My contour, or bronzer really, I'm going to be using brush 3. The shades are called Hibiscus Bloom, Rose Gold, and Malibu Soleil. For my blush, and I use brush 2 for this. And last but not least, the lip gloss. I'm going to be using the Nyx Slip Tease lip gloss in the shade Sandlewood. I love these lip glosses. They're so pigmented and so rich, and the color applicator is amazing. It's great. And now we're going to set finally with the Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray. There's a heat wave in New York City right now, so this has been helping me a lot to make sure that I don't sweat off all of my makeup. I'm going to do it in a T shape and then a next face. I'm going to set again with the Coola SPF 30 setting spray, mostly just for the SPF because I don't have a sunscreen right now other than this. And there you have it! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable, and if you really like it, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share this as much as you can. All of my links where you can find me are down below in the description box. I'm on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, but who really uses Facebook anymore, and I'm here as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!